these receivers don't miss. And the point is good. Mueller looks ready to kick it away. Moore is back to receive the kick. This will be down to the end zone for a touchback. They were forced to punt on their last drive. They'll set up shop at the 20. First down and 10. Steps and throws to the left side. It's intercepted.
Yeah.
He closed on the ball quickly and came up with the interception. He took a risk going to the ball there because he didn't have any help behind him. But when you're that good at closing and attacking the ball, you can certainly afford to gamble occasionally. It's amazing what talent will let you get away with. That'll make it second down with 10 to go. They spot the rock on the 30. Searching for an open man. Looking. Fires it to the left. Everything seemed to work perfectly on that. Yeah, I can remember hearing stories about long-time players in the NFL that literally they could go out in the pitch black and make throws and catches without really even seeing the ball. That's a
Does he have like judo or something?
The defense is backed up against their own end zone.
What is he doing?
Number 16, hands off to the left. Got a couple of yards on the